Hey guys, so a brief introduction. Today I'll be going out and I want you guys to come along with me, just like a simple shopping journey here in Jamaica. My gosh, my cat. You guys want to see him? Come in. That's my cousin. They're calling me. So guys, come along with us. The next clip you'll see is with us. Hey guys, we've reached our destination.
No.
Okay guys, so we're in the shop waiting for mom to pay the bill.
Maybe. Which one you want?
That be kind of embarrassing, no? You're such a bird. Oh, we're not a bird.
I think I bake this in there, right?
Yeah, but you know, so she got crown here, so for certain things to the house, so I might as well just pick them up and
Go on there. So you want no bread? You want to say that work out?
Okay guys, as you can see, what you buying, Tash? Them Peter cutie?
Back here. Go in there, juice.
And I like it type for your one. Yes guys, as I was saying, we're just here getting stuff for the home. You know. Yeah, I think I want a vegetable oil. What else, Dash? That's about it. What you want? Take a couple of chips. What you want? Nothing on. Quando começar a comprar, eu ia. Podia start for me.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's who you are. Yeah, we're going to take your birthday. I want to take a but remember, see me? Yes, yes. I'll buy one big one. Because no, yeah. I don't know.
Tasha, can you steer the basket properly, please? No, we're not talking about juice. Don't you remember me? Where are we like a thing? I'm buying a cocoa. Cocoa? Okay. Oh. Hey guys, while editing the video I forgot I did not do an outro, so I'm just telling you guys thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment down below as to what you think about this video, and if you'd like me to do more of these type of videos, and to also do a Q&A video for the next video. I'd like to do a Q&A, and what I'd like you guys to do is comment down below some questions you'd like to ask me, get to know me a little bit more better, and also you can send those Q&A in the comments and on my Instagram page /JA. Yes, so yeah guys, we reached back home safe and sound. That was just a without type of vid, like a chill shopping day when you need groceries in your house, so you don't go out and get them while you have the money, that is. Yeah, so yeah, enjoy that day, and it was fun to us at least, and I really hope that you guys like this, and I'm trying my best to do videos that will appeal more to you and that I myself would love to do, like singing, baking, bit of makeup. I'm not a pro, so I wouldn't even go a lot too deep in makeup, but I try. But yeah guys, thank you again so much for watching, and yeah, thank you 13 subscribers and counting. Bye.